Migrating from older Outlook for Mac and encountered OLK files. This is a database file from older versions of Microsoft Outlook for Mac. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with these files. We'll be comparing our manual fix to the final option, made possible by using just one industry-leading OLK file inspection tool that supports a vast library of file formats. An OLK file is a local data file used by Microsoft Outlook for Mac to store email messages, contacts, and other mailbox items. Users typically encounter these files when troubleshooting Outlook issues or trying to locate their local email cache. They are not meant to be opened directly, but are managed by the Outlook application. The OLK file is part of a complex database structure used by Outlook for Mac. Each file often corresponds to a single email message or contact and is indexed by a central database file. This fragmented design was likely chosen to improve performance and reduce the risk of total data corruption if one file becomes damaged. The best utility for reliable viewing of OLK is known to be Microsoft Outlook for Mac by Microsoft Corporation. Windows lacks necessary integrity checks, so safe handling requires approved software. Windows offers limited insight into these files, so interpretation relies on the application that generated them. Your primary action: right-click the OLK file and select Open With. If Microsoft Outlook for Mac is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. Continue testing until the OLK file opens successfully. If you cannot access the OLK file, no problem. Since the standard approach didn't work, it's time to get surgical. Let's quickly go through these 3 core troubleshooting procedures. First, locating the database. Find OLK files inside your User Documents folder under Microsoft User Data and Office Identity folders. The database includes thousands of individual OLK files organized by item type, with each file representing one email contact calendar event or other Outlook item. Next, migrating to modern Outlook. Use Outlook for Mac 2011 to import the OLK database, then export the items to PST or OLM format. Newer Outlook for Mac versions can import OLM files restoring email contacts and calendar items to the modern application with most metadata preserved. Finally, recovering individual items. Use third-party utilities like Outlook, Mac Database Recovery, to extract specific items from a corrupted OLK database. The tools parse the database structure and export individual emails as EML files, contacts as VCF, and calendar items as ICS for selective recovery. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.